Hello, and welcome to the Layer 2 show. Today we have DeGate, which just launched the Layer 2 bridge to Arbitrum. We're talking to lead evangelist Alvin and to technology contributor Ricky, who will show us DeGate bridge demo. Hello, Alvin. Hello, Ricky.
Hi, Alvin. Pleasure to be here.
Hello, thanks for having me.
You're welcome. Alvin, could I please ask you to introduce DeGate and what is special about DeGate in three sentences, perhaps?
Wow, sure. First of all, thank you for having us. What is DeGate? DeGate is the limit order DEX built on Ethereum Layer 2. It's secure, it's fast, it's cheap, and it recreates the experience of trading limit orders on a centralized exchange, but in a decentralized, secure fashion. We're building hard with a very strong team, people from great fintech companies, from Binance, Tencent, the original translators of the Ethereum white paper into Chinese. We have a great team, great tech, and we're looking forward to bringing you great products in the near future.
Great. Thank you very much, Alvin. So one question, why did you decide to launch on Arbitrum? And I know that the DEX that will be launching is also launched on Arbitrum. Is Arbitrum the future? Are rollups the future? Can you say a few words about this?
Arbitrum is the overnight success story that has been 6 years in the making. They've been working super hard on creating a really solid, secure Layer 2 solution based on optimistic rollups on the Ethereum ecosystem that has the same security properties as Ethereum. And we've met the team, we're super confident in Arbitrum's ability to do a great job in the Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem. So we're building, we just released the bridge mainnet on Arbitrum 1, the Layer 2 solution that they just created. And we're very confident and we want to grow the Arbitrum system. However, we are actively always looking at all Layer 2 projects, all Layer 2 rollups and on Ethereum. And we are open to any solution, any technology that gives us a great user experience for our users.
Thank you very much, Alvin. Congratulations on the success of the bridge. The users have been saying that it's a very fast and cheap way to go to Arbitrum. Ricky, can I ask you to say a few words about this?
Sure. The bridge is launching, and as a contributor, I'm very exciting. And it is really very cheap for end user to ramp on the assets from mainnet to Arbitrum. And it is also very fast. It just need 8 block confirmation to confirm the asset will go up to another layer. It's very awesome.
Great. So do you think we can do a brief demo of how the bridge works to show the viewers?
Sure. I'd like to share my screen.
Sure.
Yep. Okay. As you can see, my screen, I already prepare a wallet on my MetaMask. And this is from the mainnet to Arbitrum network. And if we import this amount here, we can estimate how many tokens we can get on the Arbitrum network. What is surprise is you can see we can get more than 1 ETH if we send out 1 ETH in the mainnet. That's because we use the AMM curve like the mechanism to calculate the pools and make a user can arbitrage different pool size into different layer. So let me try. Yeah. There's a confirmation. And when you click here, you can see currently DeGate DAO is waived the transaction fees and just charges the gas fee for the another layer. After we confirm, and it will pop up a MetaMask confirmation and click. This transaction is sent out. When we send out the transactions, there's the older page, we can monitor the confirmation. Yeah, it is very fast. if the gas is a suit. Yeah, we can see MetaMask is send out the transactions, and maybe wait some second, CS 1/8. As the confirmation is H/8, the transaction for another layer on Arbitrum will be sent out to users' wallet. Let we just wait a few minutes, and we can also still to discuss about Bridge backend. Bridge currently is still working on the centralized way. Its technology is used the warm wallet and the hot wallet to lower the risk for the custody assets. But it is that's fast because every transaction is a simple transaction and not a smart contract invocation. For example, if we just send out the ETH, it just needed to 21,000 gas. It is a easy transfer, not a complicated invoke. So the user just need currently only need $4 to ramp on. It is much cheaper than any other bridges. And currently the confirmation is almost done, and let's wait, still need maybe some seconds to send out the transaction on another layer.
So what is happening when we're getting back from Arbitrum? I know the DeGate Bridge reduces the 7-day waiting period. How long do you get back?
Yeah, for the DeGate Bridge, it is fast. We do not need to wait for 7 days. It is directly just 8 confirmation on the another layer. Yeah, you can already see we are processing the another layer. If we see the status, the transaction on the Arbitrum is already sent out. And at the same time, we can also open this Explorer to see. Let's
check on Arbitrum.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see I already received.
Okay.
Yeah, more than 1 ETH.
Very good. So with this product, DeGate is really adding value to the whole Layer 2 ecosystem and to the Arbitrum's ecosystem as a whole. Alvin, maybe I can ask you for a roadmap. What is next after the bridge? I know that the DEX is launching quite soon. Is there anything else exciting that we should be waiting for?
Yeah, I think one of the key things about the DeGate team and ecosystem is that we're always building. So the bridge mainnet launch is just one example of what we're trying to do to create value for users. We're working on things like the fiat gateway. Hopefully that's in the works. And we're looking to provide a minimum viable product for auditing and testing before the end of the year, before launching our mainnet targeted for early next year. So essentially, to bring it all together, we're doing it one step at a time with the ultimate goal of making the decentralized exchange experience as good as the centralized exchange experience in terms of spot trading. Limit orders will be cheap and fast on DeGate and on the DeGate protocol. And in terms of our roadmap, we want to be as fast as possible, but we also want to do it right. And we are doing everything the right way to make sure that our product is working well. And I love to, I love to check in with Ricky, like if he has any thoughts on the whole roadmap and where we're headed to.
Sure.
So Ricky, also one question. What is the user that DeGate and DeGate Bridge is targeted for? Who would benefit the most from using this product?
I think every DeFi user and Arbitrum user needed to experience the DeGate Bridge. It is really fast, especially when you play some DeFi, play some gaming, play some NFT on the layer 2, because layer 2 have more scalability for the new product, new mass adoption product can deploy. And when the user want to their assets from layer 2 back to layer 1, they must need a bridge. In the future, after DeGate order book is launched, DeGate Bridge can help the assets very quickly move from one layer to another layer and help the liquidity more and more on the layer 2. Actually, DeGate Bridge is a public good thing and to help the whole layer 2 ecosystem development.
Very good. That is
at the same time, I'd like to share how to back to the mainnet. Yeah, my assets already on layer 2, so I want to demo how fast it can come back. Yeah, for example, I import two ETH. It will below 2 because the arbitrage requirement. Currently there's more value. The value is more than on layer 1 is more than on layer 2. So it's layer 2 ETH is much cheaper. So yeah, it's very fast, and the transaction send out, and looks at the confirmation speed is very fast because Arbitrum is very fast. Maybe we just need 1 minute and this transaction will done. Yeah. Okay, I think I already completed my demo.
Thank you.
Wow, that's fast, Ricky.
Sure. I'm very excited about it.
Yeah, I think it's hard to understand it without really understanding like the frustration of waiting that long sometimes for some other bridges. But this one is really fast, and so it really helps to fulfill a need in the market for the fast transaction. Yeah.
Very good. Thank you very much for the demo, Ricky. So just to summarize, DeGate Bridge is super fast and super cheap way to get to the proper layer 2 and back. Is that right, Alvin?
Yep, it's fast, it's cheap. We're not taking fees. I think that we should mention that. There is a fee there's a gas cost when you go back and forth, but the DeGate protocol is not taking any fees. We're providing this as one of the public service to the community who wants to try the Arbitrum ecosystem, and they want to get their Ethereum or other Ethereum onto layer 2, on the Arbitrum layer 2. So it's a good chance for people to try out Arbitrum's system, Arbitrum's layer 2 at low cost.
Very good. So I'll make sure that I leave the link to DeGate Bridge below this YouTube video, and everybody is very welcome to try. It's a really great product. I've tried it myself. It is indeed very fast and cheap and reduces all the fear and mysteriousness about the layer 2. So very welcome to come and try DeGate Bridge. Alvin, Ricky, thank you for coming to Layer 2 show. Is there anything else that you would like to share? Any community activities that should be exciting for our audience?
Yeah, I think Alvin, you'll be at a whole lot of conferences upcoming in London and Portugal and Lisbon, and I think that we're wishing you a great journey, and hope you meet a lot of good people on the way.
Yes, come and say hi to me in London or Lisbon. We'll be there. Okay, thank you very much, Ricky. Thank you, Alvin.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.